Now that we've started with our user group section right there, what this actually is a layer setting. So it allows you to make certain elements visible or invisible depending on what user groups you have allocated to those elements. Okay, so for example's sake, if we take a look at what type of user groups we already have right there, and we click OK, if we have a look on the screen, on this example, we have a wall panel right there. In the wall properties on this section right there, we will go to the miscellaneous section. As discussed within our frames tutorial, we have the user groups drop down right there, and we can allocate this in those user groups. As soon as we allocate this wall to one of those user groups, for example's sake, we want to make sure that this is allocated to floor 1, ground floor, whatever the case might be. Let's go with floor 1, and we'll click OK. In the groups button on the top left corner there, we can go all the way to the user groups drop down menu there, and we want to make sure that floor 1 is invisible and it hides everything that is allocated with that user group. So to get this turned on again, we'll go back to user groups and activate that floor 1 again. If we go back to my project settings right there, you can also add more user groups by clicking on the last section right there and then selecting the down arrow key on your keyboard to create more lines. So for example, if you want to separate them by bedroom 1, bedroom 2, or kitchen, or any one of those types of groups, for yourself to have a little bit more control over what is shown and what is not, then you can create more by doing this.